I'm surprised that Chemeka did not follow me outside. Nna, you stayed back. You don't know what it is. It's for sweeping. Mona Chiso doesn't know what broom is. She said, what is this for? Mama, it's for sweeping. We used it a lot back in Nigeria. Broom.
Carry it out.
No, Mama. It's supposed to be a bunch like this. That's how it works. When I was buying this broom, my husband said no to this broom. He was asking me what I would use this broom for, but the reason I bought this broom is because of sofa. Like, you know how these children, they can easily throw things in the sofa and you want to clean it. And this our Oyinbo stuff doesn't really like clean inside sofa. The only way to clean it properly is by moving the sofa, and I don't want to be moving the sofa all the time. It's a lot of work. And things like this. You see how easy it is? With broom you can reach like way deep. And these are the things that my Hoover cannot bring out for me. So with my broom, easy. I've been meaning to bring out this my broom and do the cleaning, but I just keep forgetting. Yeah, so many dirt under the sofa. Hoover doesn't get under like this. Only broom can do this. Trust me, only broom can clean under the sofa without stress, without you moving the sofa up and down. Get a broom for easy life.
See the thing there?
Yeah.
That's my toy. That's my mom and dad. That's my toy.
You see why I bought this broom now?
Yes.
So you'll not be asking me why I have broom in the house when I can use Hoover. Broom has its own purpose.
What is this? This is sofa.
Mama, don't touch those things, they are dirty.
Mommy, I can't look no more. I want to look through. Look at bees. Let's pick the bees from my house.
And the broom is like dust as well. It's like a duster.
And use 3 bees. Let's go.
I'm going to take this thing away. No more in the living room. We'll get a proper rug.
A poker rug.
Yeah, proper carpet.
What? Why are you moving it, Mommy?
Yeah, Chemeka, you people keep making a mess. It's all over the house these days. Anywhere you look, you will see it. Chemeka. Immediately you arrange it like everything is clean. Chemeka will come and scatter it. Before you know it, you pull it up. You get one here, get one in the kitchen, get like all over the house. So we'll put it away. Maybe they can use it outside during summer. The dirt is from under the sofa and under everything that is here.
This doesn't mean from the
Sorry.
Sorry. Mommy, what happened? Looks red. Oh no, baby!
What are you doing? Vroom. 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 We are having a mob ride. Calm down. I know you want to do that again. I think I'm sweating now. I need to change this. I'm going to put you where you will not fall. You will not slip or fall. I'm surprised Chemeka is not even coming here. Till I finish. Yeah.
I'm by myself.
Chemeka session. Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Boom, 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 I'll go and put this ones away. Straight into the garage. Till maybe around summer we can just use them outside. Not in here anymore. And my broom going back to the garage. You are here waiting for mommy. Your sauce. It's so wet. Oh. You wear it like that. I hope I get something I like tomorrow to replace it so that Chemeka can comfortably sit on the floor. Off you go.